I'm 25.
And I'm 27.
We've known each other since middle school. We are engaged to be married in less than a year. For work, we're both surgical neurophysiologists. What we do is monitor the spinal cord, the nerves, the brain, all intraoperatively during surgery. He has like a million hobbies.
I love snorkeling, diving, anything involved ocean-wise, fish tanking. I have a saltwater aquarium, and I put a lot of time and effort into it, and it all takes place in this little apartment. Right now, we live in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
With all of his stuff and all of his hobbies, we're kind of running out of room, and there's no storage space for us here.
We're getting married soon. We want to start a family. We want to start our lives in a new place.
And being able to come home from the wedding and walk into our brand new house.
Our budget is $400,000, not a penny more.
Maybe a penny more, maybe just a little bit more. I'm the bossy one. I'm the brat.
Yeah, she's very
I usually
bratty.
get my way.
Our realtor is my father-in-law.
My father.
Actually,
Your
I wouldn't say
future
my father-in-law.
father-in-law.
My future father-in-law.
I want to live out west a little bit, where it's more family-oriented.
Ideally, I'd like to live out in East Fort Lauderdale, just due to the fact that so much of my daily activities involve the ocean.
So I really want a nice, huge, large wall for the fish tank. You know, it's like living art. I'd like a huge garage too, so I could put all my supplies.
You want to be like a typical house where, you know, you can do all this stuff in your garage.
I want at least 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
And at least 2 bathrooms.
Oh, and a pool.
More
We
is
need a
better.
pool. We both
Of course,
want
yeah,
that.
we need a pool.
Yeah.
The kitchen, I really have in mind white with a lot of molding. I don't like black granite countertops. Any smear, any handprint you can see, and that annoys me so bad I can't even tell you. Looks nice.
This is Jacaranda Lakes. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. The asking price is $429.
It's a lot over our budget.
It has all the things that you're looking for. A nice 2-car garage.
Yeah, I can do all my projects in there.
Sounds good to me.
Let's
I bet
take a
it
look.
does.
Thank you. Wow, this room's really big.
Yeah, it's huge. That right there is amazing.
I really want to be on the lake, and it's a gorgeous view right when you walk in the door. Could this work for you instead of a intracoastal?
It's
Oh,
a
no.
community lake. It doesn't go out to any intercoastal or open body, but it goes around the whole community. Check out your kitchen.
I don't really like this kitchen so much. It's not my dream white kitchen, that's for sure. Oh, love this.
I mean, wouldn't you want it in the garage?
No.
Why?
So I can sweat while I do laundry? So this is one of the spare bedrooms, I'm hoping?
This is the 4th bedroom
There's high ceilings everywhere in this place. It's awesome.
for the
Very tiny.
little half bath over here. Actually, full bath because it has a shower.
This is scary. Definitely don't like this bathroom.
Let's go to the right here and check out bedroom number 2.
Wow. I don't like this color. Very peach.
Don't worry. It can always be painted.
Dad, you matched the walls.
Oh, man.
I like the
It's
color.
cool for a shirt. I just don't really like it on the walls.
Got a bathroom.
Oh, wow.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. This bathroom needs some help. That's for sure. The vanity has to go.
Bedroom number 3.
I like the color in here. I like these frames.
I wonder if they'll leave
Maybe
those.
they'll leave those for us. Oh, wow.
This is the master.
Whoa, this is huge.
I don't really care for the ceiling. It looks like a waffle.
It's a foam tile ceiling that can be scraped off or painted.
All right, let's see these closets.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Looks like cedar.
All my clothes will smell nice.
I want to see this bathroom. Ooh, this is big.
I don't know about this bathtub, though.
It's a little dated. That
a
may be
little old.
one of your projects coming up.
Jeez.
Doesn't have my dream white kitchen.
Very important.
And doesn't have the intracoastal that you wanted, but has a great lake.
Man, I really wanted that intracoastal.
I know.
The ceilings, it's got the bathroom, the bathtub. Who knows how much that's gonna cost? Plus, it's over our budget. It's $429.
Yeah. 2-car garage.
Oh, yeah. Sweet.
The asking price is $299, so.
$299, wow. Our budget was $400. So this coming in at $299 is a huge amount of savings for us.
So is there anything like wrong with the house or anything that is the reason it's priced this way?
And it's possibly it has an original roof, and if it does, it may be up for replacement soon.
Is that why the price is reduced?
That's a possibility. So let's
Something
take
to
a
think
look.
about.
This is the main living area.
It's big, it's really open.
Hey, tile's nice.
You think so?
Yeah, I like that high gloss kind of look.
I don't like that high gloss look.
Why?
It looks very 80s to me.
But look at this wall. It's a huge wall.
Oh yeah, it's
I got-
perfect, perfect fish tank wall, and it's right when you walk in the house. So.
Yeah.
On the back side of this wall is the master.
Okay.
See what you think.
This is the master?
It's a little smaller.
It's a little bit small. Let's look at the bathroom.
Okay. Whoa, 80s.
I mean, I don't really like the shower or the tub. We would have to redo the whole bathroom.
Yeah, but it's $299, so it's a huge discount.
Well, let's see the rest of the house.
Okay.
Ooh. Well, it looks really nice. I think we can work with this space.
Hey, look at this.
Brand new kitchen. It was originally the white kitchen that I wanted to show you, but we've kind of been surprised. They just changed this probably last week.
Hey, look, what about the fish tank on this wall?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's a perfect spot.
It's pretty big, because, you know, naturally
focal
everyone...
point.
It's definitely open. I like that.
Wow, I see some split pea soup in here.
Oh, look at that. We got a little space in between here.
Yeah, something's not right with those doors. We'll cross that bridge when we get there.
Okay.
Well, this is a good size for a spare bedroom. It's not really small.
This is awesome.
Very nice.
All right, let's check out upstairs. It's a
Scratch
view
on
of the
car.
roof up here.
Looks like I need some TLC.
But to me, it looks like it's original roof that had some repairs. That could be a potential problem getting the house insured. This is bedroom number 3.
It looks exactly like the one downstairs.
Sure does.
These floors have been pretty hollow.
It's not a high quality laminate, but it works. Oh, this bathroom's nice. This is good for a guest bathroom.
And then our 4th and final bedroom / loft.
Oh yeah, this one's open.
Wow, look at this.
This is kind of neat. The price is like under what we even thought we'd be looking at.
Well, the roof we'll have inspected if we get to that point.
But I have spots for my aquarium.
But it doesn't have a lake or intercoastal.
Exactly. Without having water behind the house and no land, it might be a little difficult.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Today, they're seeing a home on the east side of Fort Lauderdale, Sheldon's neighborhood of choice.
This looks nice.
This is within your price range of $400,000, but it's a smaller house, and that's what the money buys out here. So
Is this roof new? Doesn't look like the other ones.
it could be original.
Whoa,
So-
that's an old roof.
Yeah. Does it have ocean access?
Yes, it does. You'll see. Come on inside.
All right.
Wow. This is nice. Sweet.
Kind of an
Plantation
Asian
shutters. You like that?
It's nice.
That's really
There's
nice.
your $1 million view, Sheldon.
I know. I could put a boat out there.
There's a small boat.
Well, let's get you a house first. Then we'll worry about the boat.
I like
Look at
this
this.
backyard.
Very nice.
Pool's been updated. Got nice pavers.
I could sunbathe here. A nice book.
All right, come on. Let's check the dock out. This is awesome. This is actually, it's probably new that they put this in.
Yeah, the dock's newer.
Definitely new. This is exactly what you were looking for.
Outside, it's perfect. I couldn't ask for anything more.
Well, I'm excited
Well-
to see the rest of the house.
Off the living room is the first bathroom.
This bathroom's nice.
It's got nice touches.
Let's look at the bedroom.
All right.
Very vibrant.
Whoa, look at this.
Wow, these built-ins are nice.
These are really nice. Off to the kitchen.
Yep.
Wow, this is a really nice kitchen.
It feels very homey.
It's not your white, though.
White kitchen is #1, but I do really like this kitchen.
Wow.
To my surprise, I wouldn't want to change it at all. It's very elegant.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
The cabinets are rich dark brown, and I really like the countertops, the black granite with the blue flecks. It's very nice.
So we have a little bit of a dining area in here.
This is nice.
Look behind there.
Is there a bed behind there?
It's like a little
Oh,
built-in.
look, this kind
Oh,
of
sweet.
it makes up for the lack of an office, you know? If there's only 2 bedrooms, we could have an office out here.
Yeah. Got a half bath in here.
This is a good addition. Might have to change the color of the paint.
I like it.
This room's nice. I think I would probably prefer the other room as our master. Nice size closet, but I mean, I really wanted a walk-in closet, Dad.
1966. There was no such thing as walk-in closets. Check out that bath.
Very nice.
It's kind of small. If we're thinking long term and we want to raise a family, we really only have one usable other room other than the master.
Did you say I was going to be a grandfather soon?
No,
Oh, okay.
not soon.
Wait, totally forgot about the fish tank.
Oh, you wanna put
It's got to go on this wall. It works out better because it's got plumbing on the other side. We just make a little hole and boom.
I really like the way this house is decorated. I like everything that people have done with it. It is the top of our price range, and it is really small, and it is east. I think that it's too far away from family and people who can help out, you know.
It's really hard to get away from this view and the idea of having the ocean access and just hopping out, but
It's something to consider.
okay.
Let's talk about it.
It's time to figure out a plan. Their first option is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home on the west side, Christina's preferred area, but it's over budget at $429,000.
It's got an updated kitchen.
Yeah, it's not a white kitchen. That kitchen doesn't really do it for me.
I think you can live with that.
I could live in the
for
kitchen.
a while.
Yeah.
It did have water behind it. Even though it's not the ocean, I still consider it. It's got a pool, 4-bedroom, room to grow.
But it's like a little bit above our price range. You know?
It is.
The second choice is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, also in Plantation. It's under budget at $299,000, but needs major updating.
That house was $100,000 under our price range, so we could do a lot with that.
It's gonna need a whole new master bath. Oh, it needs a new roof. The kitchen just got renovated.
Yeah, it's okay.
It has that huge wall right in front of the kitchen I can put my fish tank on.
Yeah, that's true. The lack of any kind of water in the backyard, would you be okay with that?
It's gonna be a tough one.
At $400,000, option 3 has Sheldon's ocean access on the east side of Fort Lauderdale, but it isn't as spacious as Christina would like.
The East House, really like that place.
But only
It
2
is.
bedrooms versus the other
But,
houses that have 4.
You know, when you first walk in, boom, you see the Intracoastal Waterway.
That house kind of had like a backyard oasis. That was really
did.
nice. But it's too far away from our parents.
Yeah, I guess right now, I would love to have that house. But I guess, you know, thinking in the future, it's probably not gonna work out for us.
So which one will they pick?
If I can't have the ocean, I'll definitely take a lake. So,
So I think we have picked the house with the lake.
I think so. Lake house it is.
All right, let's make it happen.
Okay.
I met them the other day.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they're really nice people. We purchased a house about 2 months ago.
I feel grown up. I feel like a huge grown up.
I don't feel like a child anymore,
Yeah.
you know? But these in the half bathroom.
In the half bath? Okay.
We felt like if we weren't able to get it to our budget, then it was just, there was a bad sign and we weren't supposed to have this house.
We had to get it to come down.
Yeah, we got credits from the seller, so the final purchase price was $397,000.